Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I always like to protect the products that I invest in, and this start case has helped me to protect my Osmo 6 from dust or water or if I drop it, and pretty much from any accident that I may have. It was super easy to clean. I just grab a piece of towel and I remove all the water. And as you can see, I'm just gonna be opening it and everything is dry inside. My gimbal is still in place. And that gives me a really peace of mind that I know that I have a case that is gonna protect my investment. And it has this extra pocket so I can put my phone or a rechargeable cable. Another thing that I love is that the case is hard enough to protect the gimbal, but it's soft to the touch. So I'm so in love with knowing that my gimbal is secure. And that's my point of view.